Hello everyone and welcome to my soap making channel here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. This is my tiny basement soap shop. I love to make soap outside and use ingredients from our wild backyard, but it's pretty difficult in the winter, especially because we've had like below zero for almost a week now and another week at least that's forecasted. So whew, even this basement is kind of like chilly right now, but I have been a busy girl the past couple months. You'll see my soap shelf is mostly empty. I just cured and labeled and listed like couple dozen different soaps on my Etsy shop for holiday shoppers, and now it's time for a fresh round of ideas. And today's soap is Loofah. Now it's kind of a lovely spa scent. It's all natural, palm-free, and vegan. I'll put all the details down below. But I got tired of watching people struggle cutting through loofah loaves where they like put a whole long thing in with the soap and like cut all the pieces. I was like, there's gotta be a better way to do this. And after a little experimentation, I think I found something I'm pretty happy with. So I made this a couple days ago. I'm going to show you how I cut and arranged the loofah first, and then we'll make the soap, and then we will unmold it. soap on a rope. It's a loofah. It has a lovely spa scent. There is a little bit of sandalwood in this. It's a diluted version because that stuff's expensive, man. And some bergamot or bergamot, however you like to say it, and then a little bit of marjoram as well. Marjoram has a very herbal scent to it, so you don't want to use much, but it really adds a nice extra element to the smell of this bar. So basically, you just use it, like you can't even see the loofah on this at all, but once you use it a little bit, it'll start looking like this and give more of that exfoliation property to it as you go. I cannot wait to use these. It'll be worth the wait after they cure. Thank you again for joining me today on this soapy adventure. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this idea? Do you think it's worth the trouble? Would you rather just slice through a whole thing? Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for your support of my channel, and I can't wait to see you in the next one soon.